Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this look. For some reason it's giving me like Barbie vibes, summer spring break, something like that. This is actually an inspired look from somebody that I saw on Instagram and I thought that I would recreate it. Before I get into the video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Also leave me a big thumbs up and also hit that post notification bell so that way you'll be notified when I post a new video. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then go ahead and keep watching.
If I got you, you got me. It don't matter what they say. They just wish that they could be the one that's chilling at your place. It ain't perfect, but it's worth it every second of the day. If I just drama, count these commas and get high as out of space. They gon' hate, that's okay. Got no worries, girl, we straight. About my baby, I don't play, put any nigga in their place. It don't matter.
I already did my brows and my foundation off camera. So we're just going to jump right into it, and I'm going to take this Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take that matte brown shade and use that as a transition color. I'm going to go in with the NYX Milk Pencil and also the NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm going to use that NYX Milk Pencil for a base just because I'm using a really light eyeshadow and I want the color to pop. The eyeshadow is really light, and I'm also going to take that glitter primer so that way I don't really have any fallout and it sticks to the base really well. Now I'm taking this pink shade. It's like a baby pink. It's from MAC. Guys, I had these eyeshadows for a long time, so I don't really know the name of any of them. If you want to recreate this look, you can improvise and use whatever colors that you have at home. It doesn't necessarily have to be the exact same ones that I have. And I went ahead and I did this step little by little just because I didn't want the glitter glue to dry too quickly, and I didn't want the eyeshadow to clump up either. Now I'm just going to take a deeper brown shade and I'm going to add that to the outer corner of the eye and also blend that into the pink so that way I'll have a smooth transition and you won't be able to see where the pink started. I'm using this turquoise pencil from Sally Beauty. It's called Sky High, and I'm just popping that into the waterline. I'm going in and highlighting with the same concealer that I always use for the moment. The LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. As I said in my previous video, I don't like highlighting my forehead or my chin because I feel like it makes my makeup look too cakey. So that's why I just do under my eye and just down the bridge of my nose a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer under my eyes with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'll leave a description of all the products that I use down in the description box as well. Now I'm taking that same milk pencil and I'm actually just going to run it across my bottom lash line. So that way when I apply the eyeshadow, it can be really pigmented. Now I'm just taking this shimmer turquoise color eyeshadow. I believe I got it from Coastal Scents a few years ago. Like I said, any color eyeshadow that you choose to use will actually work. And I lost some of the eyeliner, so I'm just going back through and making sure that I have enough on my waterline. For lips today, of course, I'm using Chestnut from MAC Cosmetics. Brown lip liner goes with any type of lipstick. For lipstick, I'm using the Nude Creme by Milani Cosmetics. And I'm just going to top the lipstick off with a lip lustre that I got in the shade Kiss Me. And it's from Ciate, London. I got this in my Ipsy bag, so I'm not really sure of the brand. For blush, of course, I'm using Sweetest Cocoa. I'm not really a blush person, but when I do use it, that's mainly the one that I use. For highlighter today, I'm using a Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal. Lastly, I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara to my bottom lashes just to give it a little pop. Now for the finishing touches, I'm just making sure that all of my eyeshadow is blended perfectly. Okay, too cute. So this is the completed look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down in the comments and let me know what other type of videos that you would like to see. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.